Here's how to create some great resin art using Art Pro Resin and our beautiful sparkling crystal edge round mold. I started off mixing up about 11 ounces of Art Pro resin. If you want great results, this resin never fails me. And I'm using Liquitex acrylic inks there. I started off with Deep Violet, 6 drops and 2.29 ounces of resin. Carbon Black, 6 drops and 1.94 ounces of resin. Some mica, 3 scoops and 1.59 ounces of resin. White pigment paste, 4 drops and 2.12 ounces of resin. And then I used the deep violet again. I did 3 drops and only 2 ounces of resin. I cut down the push. This pour, you just start off by putting the first color, the deep violet, down on the bottom. And then you're just going to swirl the colors together. And I waited till the resin was about 31 degrees Celsius before pouring it. And honestly, I have never done a bad pour in this mold. Look through all of our videos. Every pour turns out fantastic, and not all molds are created equal. There's a lot of crystal edge molds out there now that are really shallow. You're not going to get the same results. There are some that are just poorly made, and they're not as sparkly as ours are. So our molds will consistently give you beautiful resin art like the ones that I create here. And Art Pro Resin is a medium viscosity resin. It's highly reactive, and that's how I can get such beautiful pours out of this. I'm also stopping referring companies that don't work with artists. There's no sense. We do professional videos here. We take our time to create good content and edit our videos so they look professional, even though I don't pour very professional circles there. But I'm just tired of giving credit to companies that don't support artists. Big mica company doesn't support artists, doesn't really support female artists, and as well as a huge resin company that doesn't support artists at all. So no more free publicity from them in my videos. And these, are, like I said, are all Liquitex acrylic inks. And there I'm just putting some glitter in. We keep our videos short so you're not wasting your whole day watching them just by editing them. And there the resin is doing its magic. And then the next day, it usually takes about 12 hours to cure. Not fully cure, but cure hard enough to open. Or demold, I should say. And here's the beautiful piece. This is called Deep Violet, but it's a beautiful pink color. And as you can see, those sparkling edges really make this piece pop.